Welcome, guys. So this is gonna be a wild ride.
Definitely. So right here we're showing you our ceiling. It was not rendered. And this is where it started from. Hey D Squad.
What's up, my peeps? Welcome back to the channel. Alright, as you come in, you just ask you to just click that like button. Alright, hit the share button. You know what I mean? It not gonna hurt. You see me I say?
Yeah, and if you haven't subscribed, what now wait for? Right?
Subscribe.
Yeah,
man.
And hit the post notification bell. Anyways, so today we are starting a new segment of our construction journey.
Definitely. Yeah,
Adrian
man.
calls it the finishing.
The finishing stages, you know?
Yeah.
So we're at that stage now. So the mason work is basically completed, right? But of course, mason work completion don't mean it's time to start hosting guests.
Another round
of spending, another round of headache, another round of heartache, everything. So right now, what we are doing now, we're shopping around for material for our ceiling. Alright? We'll be putting in some tray ceilings.
Yeah.
Alright? So
we're putting in tray ceilings and we were doing a knockdown roof kind of thing. Adrian knows about those kind of stuff. So we're doing a knockdown roof in the other rooms and yeah, go see it. But right now we are at hardware and we're trying to get some of the items that we need to do our roof. So our ceiling. Mr. Roof or ceiling, I mean. Alright? So just auto-correct in your mind.
Yeah.
Alright?
Yeah, man. So we're gonna try to get some sheetrock, we're trying to get some studs and tracks, and we'll see what go on, guys. So we hear about a place here, Spectrum on Spanish Town Road. So I'm gonna check them out to see how them prices stay, you know?
Yeah.
Watch out, peeps.
We bought company.
Yeah.
And he's sleeping.
Carry on there, Jabungi, you know? Yeah, man. So
most of the stuff.
So we're gonna go now. We're going to the place now to see what go on. Is it? So
yeah,
man. Stay tuned, guys.
We're onto new different stuff, finishing stuff, making the place look pretty. Now the place is functional, we need to look pretty.
1,800 for sheetrock. One sheet of sheetrock. Okay.
Oh, okay. That's good. Better than we expected.
Okay. But you get some prices. Okay, that's after tax?
Yes.
Okay. Other places I would feel like over 2,000 dollars. So them are with here for like 1,800. You get me? So yeah. Alright. So
that they finding all the good deals and the cheap places.
How much for the compound? The compound and the hardware 7,600 right there. So 3,000 I just saying of the compound and Sita.
What?
I eat this. Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so the price is alright, so yeah, man, so the price is here pretty good, you know?
So you have to shop around, guys.
Yeah.
You have to shop around. Look at my little shopper. I don't know. I don't think he's shopping, but I think he's just enjoying the space. Running up and down.
So right here now, we bring home material with tracks, with studs, we have with compound, we have with sheetrock, you know?
And we have Adrian right there.
Yeah, man. Alright, so right as I know, Zaik basically start the framework for this thing.
Action time.
Yeah, man.
So this is the metal frame, they call it. And he's gonna go all around and basically frame out all the different design and patterns that will be in the ceiling.
Yes.
Right here.
Right here now, guys, you see this beam at the top of your screen. So we basically conceal that with the design. We kind of do a step up. We kind of do a one-step thing. So it kind of cover it. You know what I mean? So Zai can go through and he must shoot in the thing loud like gunshot. He must shoot in the thing in the ceiling for all everything. Because this is what will be holding the sheetrock.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah.
So all this you right here is a lot of work. The design that you need or that you've done, basically this have to do properly for the design to show properly. Right? If this not do good, then
it go off.
Yes.
You know what I mean? Important to note as well, guys. So you see, after this is done, right? So basically the framework done right here. So now you have to bring in your electricians.
Exactly.
Right? You know, so everybody have to coordinate. You know what I mean? The electrician them have to come in and run them wire because remember the recess light will be hung. You know, so you have to have the wiring for hang the recess light like any other light fixtures you're gonna have in the ceiling.
Exactly. And you have to know exactly where you want to place these light fixtures, and it have to be confirmed, you know. You can't change your mind later. What's up, Del Pratt family? This squad wagwan. Alright, so throughout this video you would have been seeing us basically starting doing the ceiling, right, for our new construction that we're doing. So in this video basically I'm going to give you a follow-up. Today is Sunday. Alright, today is Sunday and the dedicated people them come today. So this is planned in a couple weeks. So it's been like it's been about 3 weeks or 4 weeks. So it's planned in a couple weeks and they are here now. They've put up a lot of the iron structure that you see before electrician come put up in wiring. So now I'm gonna bring you guys and show you what is happening in this segment. They are also gonna put up the sheetrocks. I'm excited. I'm ecstatic. I'm excited about it. I feel good about it. I'm like but yeah, I'm gonna show you where them I do now. Today's a hot day because I've been wearing a wig for a couple days, and yeah, today is not a wig day. I'm sorry. Hot. Alright. We're gonna have 4 big recess lights in the middle, and the smaller ones that are going along here. So you see everywhere where you see it drop out, that's how we have small one over there, like where you see the circle on the wall and stuff. But in the middle, which where you see the one that drop down and circle in the top of the roof.
You see Casa move like real 4 woman. So what go on, you know, guys, very, very important step this. You have to make sure, say, you be clear with how you want the design, where you want the lights. Because after this go on, it will be very difficult to correct.
Exactly.
You understand?
Before I say sheetrock, people, but a sheetrock, okay? It's a sheetrock. So the sheetrock is being placed. Alright, so this is where we are at the moment. That's how we showed the metal bars right here. And it went all around. So where we are now actually is putting up the sheetrock. And Zaik, listen, I spelled my name already. So Zaik is here, and Zaik was the one that put up the metal, and Zaik is also the one putting up the drywall. So now we basically clean this up. I want to tell the guys that this make a whole heap of nice, you know. This make a whole heap of nice. You see when he's putting the metals up into the concrete, up into the ceiling, it's loud. So you have to like be mindful of who's around and let them know. You might hear a little bit of noise. Don't be too alarmed or, you know, because the noise sound like gunshot. Yeah, sound like gunshot. Basically it's a heel in your shooting stuff, okay? This is gonna be like a little floater. Where you call this again? A flyover with light going around it, and light is gonna go around everything here. I have to say that the electrical lineup for this is something that you have to really think about beforehand, because it can get a bit complicated. We have to keep on going over it. Oh. Yeah, so something like
this. This little box here would be this right here. And the glow light that you see over here is gonna be on the end, the edge of this, going right around.
Okay, so it's gonna be on the edge of the tray, going right around. So I'm kind of excited about that, to see the end result, to see how everything is gonna look at the end of the day. And it's different to walk into a place and to see it in its finished state. It's very different when you're actually there watching the process, watching everything happen. It's very different. What do you use and cut it? What do you use and cut it?
Utility knife.
Oh, that's a knife?
Yeah. Utility knife.
This thing is very soft, right? You have to be careful with it.
Yeah, not necessarily. It has gypsum and limestone inside. So all you have to do is cut the paper. You cut the cardboard paper on the outside.
Yeah.
That's it. Really easy.
Oh. So you use that to mark your line? It has like a little dye in it?
Chalk. Red chalk.
Red chalk?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it. I mark the paper.
Well, just bend it like that and put the other side. Like that.
Put one up for them. Brighten up it, brighten it. Use my crack.
Yeah. So me go back down on the side, watch him. Jaden that you know. A rider come. He reach. There he is. Yeah, so just run go down the house rather while I go real quick, so I go back. Yeah, I just stop at the house while I go real quick, so I go back down on the side, so I go on, you know? Yep. What do you think? What you like it so far?
Yes.
Yeah? Surprise? Huh?
Yes.
Okay. You see a sweat? You enjoy your Sunday evening?
Yes.
You shine though. Lord God. Guys, this is Ike upon it in a night. The man come to make sure that the work push on. So the electrician them done them wiring, so him that come. You know what I mean? To finish hang him sheetrocks. Straight. Yeah. Alright, thing I look up, you know? This step now, basically they are using the compound to seal all the joints to make the thing have a nice finish at the end. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's looking really nice so far.
But it's not nice yet. It's not nice yet. So go and watch, guys. Go and watch. And only subscribe it. If you're not subscribed yet, subscribe, man. And turn on your post notification bell, put the setting on all, and give us a thumbs up for this video if you like what we're showing you.
Please and thanks. So as we said, guys, a coordinated effort among the different crews. So you see the electrician them coming in now and them cutting out the hole and I release them wires. Right? So electrician come in do a thing, sheetrock man them come in do a thing, and it's like that. So everything have coordinated and so on. So yeah, we basically ready now for the plaster man them come back in. You know?
Yes.
Yeah man. So looking good so far. The compound work put on nice. We have wiring for the ceiling. Looking good, eh? Boom now. So this is what we call it knock down. So what going right here, so the plaster guys basically have spray them plaster, you know, for give that finish that we are look for. It's important that the cutouts are done before the plaster work, because the plaster work is something where it's very brittle, so it can break. If you try to cut it, it will break. So that have to do before. You know what I mean? Then him come in and him spray and then him use him shovel and smooth it off. Make it have that little rimple effect. We're not going to see it at the end. We're going to show you closer what the pattern look like and everything. Yeah, man. So,
and then if you realize that the knot down finish is the finishing for the ceiling, so that's the finishing design and pattern. So if you have to go back in now after the design done do and cut out again, then that means you're spoiling the design and you may have flaws at the end. So we never want that. So this is the process that it took.
You guys, if you don't notice one or two videos previously where I tell you the place, well, you could have seen the place messy. This is the reason why. And the culprit this, you know, him this, you know, him. You know, so anything you want to have in the house, cover them. If it's a place on a bit before, make sure that the place cover down. We have some tiles in the middle, we'll cover them with tarpaulin. And yeah, so the place messy.
Very messy.
Very, very messy, you know. But yeah, it was all worth it in the end. Definitely appreciate what we end up with, you know. Yes. Right the corner on the top, right on top. No, right there, so yes. Just scrape off. Yeah, see the guys, that are the state of the ground, that are the state of the things. Anything where I go there, I go get plaster. Trust me. Anything at all when in the room, just know that I go get plaster up. There's no two ways about it. So now, after the plaster work and it dry and set, I come and paint the ceiling. But roll and paintbrush, it do the job hard. So I just get a paint sprayer and apply the paint. It uses way less and it's faster.
That was what I was about to say. It's cost effective to use a sprayer. And another reason why we are painting the ceiling, because you might say it white already, why we are painting, because the plaster is very chalky. When you put the paint over it, it makes it more lasting and helps to prevent any form of discoloration from happening. Can I keep it in place then?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, okay.
Just don't get that.
Yeah. Nice. Nice. Yeah, man.
This one will come on.
Oh, that'll come on. Yeah, go check that one there. Like, it was working before. It was working before, yeah. Yeah, I want to come on here. So I'm gonna check this. The place does look cool and nice though. Yeah.
Yes, so basically the recess lights are in now. The kitchen light, the pendant light in the kitchen is up. All of our lights are in, and now Adrian is stringing up the string light. And as you can see, the colors are coming in. Man, tell us, say that place, yeah, it looks so nice.
Yeah. So it's on red, but guys, you can put it in any color you want. So if you don't like red, it's not a problem. It's highly customizable. You don't have to worry if the red are put on off. We can understand.
That's orange, babe. But we know say they kind of color blind too, so you know.
Right. So look at that. See the finish there, guys. See the finish there. It pretty, man. It rich. It look nice.
It really adds another level to the building. It adds another level. I'm telling you.
Yeah. And of course, we still have some touching out. That's like the before. And this is the after. We still have some little bit of touching out paint work to do. But just behold. Look at the pendant light. Oh my God. Look at that.
Yeah. I love this light more than all the other lights. I love this one.
It's angelic, eh? That halo that will go around it there.
Yeah, I do like
it.
You
know? Nice, man. Trust me. It's really nice. Let us know what you think. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let us know.
Yes, send up those thumbs up, guys. And if you do not subscribe, why you not subscribe yet? Subscribe to the Del Pride family and become a D Squad member.
Yes. Most importantly. So yeah, we install the app and we are full around it. So you see, as we said, highly customizable. You can make it white if you want. You can turn it off. You can do anything. You can make it pulse. Okay, so we're gonna talk more about that in the future videos. But this is it. You know? This is it, guys.
The after is amazing and it was worth the effort. And trust me, y'all are gonna see. So stay tuned for our follow-up videos. It definitely will show you more about it. You don't want to miss that.